this video, we're going to go over how to make a bow using ribbon. This ribbon we are using today is wire ribbon, where it has wire running down both sides of the bow. Now when you are making your bow, you're going to want to wire. Today I'm using pipe cleaner. You can use any kind of wire, floral wire, whatever works for you, even ribbon if you want. So we're going to want to make sure we leave room for a tail on our bow, and we're simply just going to fold it over on itself. And I'm going to do this, I want about 4 loops, so we will do this 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you want it to be even as you go along, or your bow will not be even. And then when we get to the end, we want to make sure that we leave room for a tail. We'll cut that in a minute. And first we're going to take our wire and we are going to wrap it around the center of your bow. And then you are going to tie it tightly in a knot. Twist it around a couple of times. And then we want to cut enough to leave a tail. And then you flip it over, and then you can move your wire. It's not quite centered, I can see on this side, so I'll scoot that over. And then we are just pulling our ribbon pieces down, the tails down, and then we are going to fluff our bow, where we just take our fingers and fluff it out on each side. And this is where the wire comes in helpful, so that it holds the bow in place. After we've fluffed them up, we will make it, I like to stick my hands in and kind of twist it from side to side to fill out the bow. Once you have your bow on your setup, then you can get the item you're going to put your bow on. Today we're going to do it on a basket. And then I'm just simply going to slide the ribbon, my wire right through the ribbon. To help hold the bow in the center. And then you can take your wire and wrap it around. And then we're going to twist it in the back. And then you can fill in your bow as you would like on your package. And voila, you have a perfect wire ribbon bow. If you found this video helpful, please like so other people can find it, and subscribe if you would like more tips on gift wrapping. Thank you for watching.